Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do like a month trial video testing out the Halo Beauty hair, skin, and nail supplements. If you guys know Tati from YouTube or Glam Life Guru or something like that, she came out with her own brand, her own company, and it's called Halo Beauty, and she released some supplement pills. I've been dying for my hair to grow for so long. Like, I just want long hair, guys. That's all I want in life. And I wanted to wait to see before and after pictures before purchasing it myself. And I've been seeing a lot of them and they're all very positive. Like, there has yet to be one person to say something negative about her supplement pills. So I decided to buy it and give it a try myself. So I got it in the mail yesterday, and obviously I want the first video to be kind of like a check-in on what my hair looks like, what my skin looks like. My split ends are actually pretty dry, like my ends right here. I had been meaning to cut off at least this much of my hair because I felt like it was really dry. So we'll see if these actually help out with that, and maybe I don't have to get my hair cut at the end of the day. I'm in my pajamas, so ignore me. And so this is my hair length, right? So this is the length of my hair. We're up to here, more or less. I'm not gonna show you guys from the back because I'm too lazy to do that whole turnaround thing. So we're just gonna do it from the front. And this is what my skin is looking like. Obviously breaking out like crazy. So I have this huge pimple right here. I kind of realized that dairy makes me break out now, and I just got my period. So this is probably my period breakouts going on too. So my skin is going through it. Besides when my skin does react like this on a daily basis, my skin, I always have texture. Texture has always been my biggest skin concern. So I'm gonna be taking the first pill with you guys. So I have to open this thing. And then there's Tati right here. If you guys didn't know who I was talking about but knew what she looks like, this is her. I'm so sick. I'm not as sick as I was the other day, but I'm there still. So this is the packaging right here. If you guys have not seen it, this is what it looks like. So it says Halo Beauty, which is her brand, and then Hair, Skin, Nails Booster Intensively Nourishing. So this is supposed to promote thick and luxurious hair growth, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. So I also have a few gray hairs in here. I lose them. I kind of find them here and there, like whenever I'm doing my hair or something, like I'll be like, oh look, I found the gray hair. So I don't know if that will get rid of the gray hair. It'll just prevent more gray hairs from showing up. This is my natural hair color, guys. This isn't dyed. So that's why I know when I have gray hairs. Like, I can see my gray hairs, you know? As for best results, take 2 capsules daily. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna link her video down below because obviously, like, she's the owner of the brand, so she knows what the hell she's talking about. So if you guys want more information on these pills, I'll put her down. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the first one with you guys. How big these things are. These things are so big. Oh, I just realized my ropa sucia there. Let's ignore that. Let's pretend like it's not there. I'm very good with taking pills, so it was a pretty big pill, but it goes down very easily. If you suck with taking pills, I don't know if you'd like these. I don't know if you'd be able to open the capsule maybe and then put it in your water and then you can drink it like that. I don't know. So I'll see you guys whenever I I'm trying to not say doo-doo. Whenever I end up doing my next check-in, and we'll see if these actually work. Today makes exactly 2 weeks since I started taking Halo Beauty. Here for a check-in since it has been 2 weeks. I was gonna wait to do it tomorrow because the 15th day would make half of like the process of it, but I'm not gonna be home alone tomorrow, and I always feel super awkward like filming by when there's people here. So I'm just gonna do it today because one day really won't make much of a difference, but I'm here to give you guys an update. So I'm wearing the same exact shirt, I just realized, because I don't know, I slept with this shirt and I woke up like an hour ago and I haven't changed out of my PJs. So yeah, I was re-watching the first video so I can see more or less what my hair length was and what my hair looked like back then. It kind of looks the same a little bit, but this is the thing with my hair, guys. Like, it looks like a little bit longer. I'm going to go back and like insert this clip. So this is what my hair looked like before 2 weeks ago. This is what my hair looks like now. This is what my hair looked like 2 weeks ago. And this is what my hair looks like now. And the thing is with my hair is I feel like it looks shorter one day and it looks longer another day. So when it comes to hair length, it's a little hard to tell unless I actually straighten my hair. Looking at it like on the screen right now, it looks the same length to me. I don't know, like, what do you guys think? Maybe like if when I edit this video and I see it like back and forth, like boom, 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 then I'll be able to tell if my hair grew or not. But I will tell you, like, when I wash my hair and like my hair's wet, it does feel longer. It like feels like a little bit longer when I wash my hair. So I don't know. So my skin is where I see all the difference, guys. Like, if you guys saw okay, so this is my skin before and this is my skin now. I mean, so up close, like, you won't really be able to like tell because, okay, this area, like this side of my face has always been my problem area. This is the side that I sleep on, so I think that's why. But look at this. I remember that big ass pimple I had right here and those big ass pimples I had here. They're kind of gone. And you can't really tell, like, in the, like, on video, I feel like you can't really see my texture that much. But guys, my texture has gone down so much. I've been struggling with my texture for like 2 years already, and I've tried everything. Like, I exfoliate, I mask, I'll do serums, and my texture just stays on my skin. It was so funny though, because I'm here like, oh my gosh, my skin has gotten so much better. And then yesterday I went to my grandma's house and I was hugging my cousin, and she was like, oh, like, are you on your period? I was like, no, I shouldn't be getting it for another 2 weeks. Why? And she's like, oh, because you're breaking out. I was like, bitch. I thought my skin was getting better, but it has. Compared to what it was 2 weeks ago, my skin has gotten a lot better. So, at least for me, at least in my opinion. Like, you can tell around my chin. Like, my chin, I had texture too, but not anymore, bitch. I'm like excited to see what everything's gonna look like at the end of the month. I've been taking it religiously. I take it every single day. I take 2 pills a day in the morning, so we'll see. I mean, like, now that I look at it, my hair does seem longer. What I noticed is that my pee, ever since I started taking these supplements, have been like a neon yellow type color. And if you guys are planning on taking this and your pee ends up turning that color, like, just know it's normal. I thought something was wrong with me for a second, but my aunt explained to me that it's just that it's your body getting rid of all of the extra stuff that's in it that it doesn't need. So you're good. It's fine if your pee is a lime yellow. You'll be fine. You'll survive. So that is it. And I will see you guys at the end of my trial. I'm officially done with my month of taking the Halo Beauty hair, skin, and nails. As you can see, like, it's empty. Like, I finished it all. I drank all 60 capsules, and I'm here to tell you my thoughts. My skin was probably at its best while taking these pills. Right now, my skin isn't its best just because I ate a lot of dairy this past weekend, and dairy makes me break out like crazy. So hence all of the breakouts. But if you were like, just to look at how it was 2 weeks ago or 15 days ago, like, my skin looks so much better. So obviously, like, this isn't gonna like solve all of your problems. You still have to go through your skincare routine. And like, for example, like, I still did my skincare routine. I made sure I wasn't eating dairy because I know dairy breaks me out. But then the last 15 days, like the last few days, I started eating dairy again. So that caused all my breakouts. As far as texture and all of that, like, I really didn't have all that much. So my before and after for my skin won't be the best. But I will tell you that if it weren't for the fact that I ate dairy, my skin would be very clear right now. My hair has gotten so much longer, like, at least not so much longer, but it's pretty long for me. Like, my hair was, when I first cut it in January, my hair was like up to here, maybe. And then 2 weeks ago, I don't remember the length of it, but it wasn't as, like, it wasn't this long. Like, my hair has grown, and I noticed that, like, whenever I touch the roots, my hair just feels so much softer. It's like a lot shinier now. So yeah, and like I can tell that my hair has gotten longer because when I wash it and my hair is wet, like it feels like it's like all the way up to here. So that's how I can tell that my hair has gotten longer. So I'm pretty excited. I've taken a lot of like biotin pills before, hair, skin, and nail pills before, like supplement stuff, and none of it has ever worked for me, at least not that I've noticed. But I have my retainers on and I can't talk. Ever since I started taking these, I've noticed such a difference in my hair and my skin. So I don't know if I should like buy another one of these or try out the kiwi ones for my skin. But my main thing, like I would rather take supplement pills for my hair than take them just for my skin. And like that Tati only she recommends to take either one or the other. So I don't know. If you've been thinking about it or doubting it, stop doubting it. Try it out. It's really good, guys. Like, it makes such a difference. Like, my hair just looks so much healthier. I didn't put any product in my hair today. Like, I haven't retouched my hair all day today. And it's, like, almost 1 in the afternoon. And this is what my hair looks like. Like, guys, if you haven't tried it, try it. I'm going to leave down below Tati's video where she talks about it. I'm going to put the one for the original hair, skin, and nails, and I'm also gonna put the one for kiwi. I'm also gonna link down the Instagram, and so like that you guys can see more before and afters and not just mine. But yeah, I highly recommend these. I'm for sure buying another one. That's it. I already decided I'm buying another one. I'm buying another one of these, and yeah. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one.